Here I've got the HUAWEI P40 and I'm going to show the top tricks of its camera. At first we have to click on the camera button here, and here we are. At first, take a look on this button. Here we can manage the flash and pick the auto flash. Pick the flash all the time when we're taking a picture and turn it off. The next one is zoom. Here we can use it. And now take a look on this slider. Here we can pick the preferred mode of taking picture. This mode is very cool because we can take picture while manually pick the f-stop and aperture, and it's useful because it can blur our background when we turn it on right. And I'm gonna show you more of it. And here we can pick more modes. I recommend you the HDR mode, which is useful because HDR improves the details in the brightest and darkest areas of taking pictures. And now we move to this settings, and here we can capture smiles. And the useful thing here is Assistive Grid, which show the grid lines, as you can see, and helps to taking picture with the rule of third in photography. And the very useful thing is horizontal level. And here we have this line, which shows us how to do photo in the straight line. As you can see, it moves when we moving our phone. And the next one is timer, camera timer. We can delay taking pictures on the seconds. I'm going to pick 2 seconds, as you can see. This picture was taken with 2 seconds delay. And the next one, we can add watermark, so we can automatically add a Leica watermark to photos what we take. The good thing is location tag. When we have this turn on, we can taking pictures and it captures our localization. The important thing is that we have to turn it on location here and the Wi-Fi or the connection with internet. And here we can also manage the mute of taking and camera sounds. And after all of these settings, we can restore it, as you can see. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.